Hi guys, this is Taylor with Tailgate and Go, and we're out here at the Outdoor Adventure Expo here in Salt Lake City, and we just wanted to give you a little demo on our product. So this is our Overlander model. It fits in the back of a Jeep. Folds up nicely. You got all your dry storage up here, matches, spatulas, that kind of thing. We have removable cutting boards. This guy comes with a paper towel rack, and those have up to 10 different locations on the box. We've got 2 more cutting boards here if you're doing a lot of prep. Then you got like your spice rack here if you're gonna spice up some steaks. That out right there. And then you got your flatware holder with, if you're doing like beans and coleslaw, you can store them in here, get them out of the cooler. Really easy to remove. That can go right on the back here. Getting your assembly line going for all your friends, cooking some burgers. And then this is our base model, so this is what it comes with when you order a box, and then you can customize with grills, griddles, stoves, sinks, anything, any kind of cooking that you're doing. Tailgating, camping, just on your back porch, whatever you need to do. We have a knife magnet down inside here. Like I said, all your storage up top, everything that you need, and then come check out the sink. So this is our collapsible sink. It stores in the box when you're not using it, but it's just hand pumped. So it's all right here. You can hook on cutting boards to that. And then over here, you'll take a look at our real life box. This is our full size, and we do all our cooking right here. Tailgate and Go is a portable modular outdoor kitchen and dry box, so you can take camping, fishing, tailgating, any outdoor activity, even disaster relief. And it just creates a 360-degree kitchen for you. You can find us at tailgateandgo.com or find us on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Thanks for checking us out.